Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and update on Solana. Wanted to do a full video because in general, the last time we covered it, this was expected, right? If you watch my last video, which was on Saturday, what we said is that, all right, well, Solana has initially found some strong support here at 160. That's kind of the main level we're at right now, between 160 and 157. So what we talked about is that, all right, well, it's a possibility that we actually drop down lower into that full support level, as you can see right here, but also on the daily time frame. It's a pretty big support level, all right? And so far, we've actually done pretty well. Like, we found support there. Yesterday, we were actually, in the middle of the day, we were actually, or at least we, Solana, was quite strong. So we actually got a bullish breakout and a bullish daily close above 160. So that's good to see. This morning, we're gaining some momentum with Bitcoin. So at this moment, and that's also what I said on Saturday, I still think it's most likely that Solana is going to be able to hold this support level. Am I sure about that? No. It depends a lot. It depends a lot on Bitcoin. All right. Because what you can see right now, if you look at the strength of Solana against Bitcoin, you can see that it's trending down again. Bitcoin is holding on relatively well, but the Bitcoin dominance is going up. So that means that altcoins are getting weaker. And Solana as an altcoin specifically is for sure getting weaker because we actually got a very, very strong rejection right here yesterday when we were strong for a moment, for a couple of hours. So what that means is that, all right, well, purely technically, I expect Solana to hold because we are at a strong support level. And I think we already, I think we got a bullish daily close. I think in general, we're actually gaining some nice momentum from that level as well. But the truth is that it depends on Bitcoin. All right. And Bitcoin right now, the situation for the market is that the volume for Bitcoin is very, very low. So we're going to get volatility. And that means that we're going to get some big moves. Those big moves could be bullish or bearish. All right, and you can see as well that Solana doesn't really have momentum here, which I don't think that matters that much, but that is another confirmation for the fact that whatever Solana is going to do depends a lot on Bitcoin. If Solana had momentum on its own, that would have been great, and we would have actually been able to get some sort of bullish reaction or some bullish momentum here without any interference or without any influence of Bitcoin. But because of these market circumstances, we are very dependent on that. So purely technically, if you look at the situation right now, we've been consolidating here, even with a slight bullish, bias. I would go as far as saying. So that's why I'm telling you, in combination with the daily close, that I think it's technically most likely that we will start to rally back up to 171 and 174. Because that's the top of the range and we just bounced off of the bottom of the range. But the best thing you can do right now is to wait for confirmation. All right, wait for either, like if you take a look, if you zoom into Solana right now, there's a bit of a level right here at 163.5. So the best thing to wait, I think, for Solana is that you wait for either 157, which is the main support level, or 163.5 to break. And like I said, if I would have to give you my most likely scenario, I would say it's a bullish breakout and a continuation up to the top of the range. Do I think we can break above that? No, especially not with such a weak Solana against Bitcoin. But that's what I think is most likely. What I think you should do is up to you. But personally, if I would take a trade on Solana, I would wait for either 163.5 or 157 to break. Otherwise, I'm staying out. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.